If you are tired today and you don't want to stand for hours by the stove, this is a meal that you make without thinking and without stress. I pour water into a pot and wait for it to boil. I add a teaspoon of salt to the boiled water. The pasta must have a taste on its own. I put the pasta and cook it al dente. Do not overcook the pasta as it will continue to cook with the sauce. While the pasta is cooking, chop the onion and garlic. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I pour oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I add onions to the heated oil. I fry for a short time, just to soften it. Towards the end, I add garlic. I fry it for a short time, just so that it smells and releases its aroma. I pour the cooking cream. This is the base that connects everything. I add a little tomato paste to give the dish a warm color and full flavor. I add a little salt, pepper, basil. I will stir and wait for the sauce to boil. While I wait for the sauce to boil, I will grate 100 grams of hard cheese. I add grated hard cheese to the boiled sauce. Hard cheese will give the sauce a silky texture and thickness. I add pasta cooked al dente to the boiled sauce. I will stir and simmer for another 3 minutes. This is the lunch you make when you don't have the energy to cook, and everyone is asking for more. I sprinkle dry parsley. Quick, easy, and creamy. Sometimes you really don't need anything more than pasta and a good sauce. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.